Pixel 10 owners, good news. Your phone just got a long overdue GPU driver upgrade and it can actually change how games feel. Today I'll explain what changed, where you'll notice it, and how to make sure you're on the latest driver so you don't leave performance on the table. What changed in plain English? The new graphics driver improves frame time consistency, shader handling, and Vulkan/OpenGL compatibility. That means fewer micro stutters and smoother motion in heavy scenes. Where you'll feel it first: open world and competitive games, 3D maps and camera previews with live effects, places where tiny hitches used to break the flow. Bonus, better driver scheduling can reduce heat spikes and battery drain during long sessions, especially at 90 or 120 Hz. How to verify you've got it: settings, then system update. Settings, then security and privacy, then system and Google Play updates. Open Play Store, then go to manage apps and device, and then updates. Update any system components related to graphics. Power tip for gamers: in developer options, game driver preferences, set problem titles to default, chart system first. If a game misbehaves, try the game driver option after a reboot. My day one test plan you can copy. Lock a test route in your favorite game and record 1% lows and a frame time graph for 15 minutes at 60 Hz, then repeat at 90 or 120. Note skin temperature and battery drop. The new driver should tighten frame pacing without cooking your hand. If you play with a controller, check input latency in the same scene. Less hitching often feels snappier. Who benefits most? Competitive players, emulator fans, creators using 3D overlays, and anyone who hated those tiny jitters mid-fight. Caveats: not every title improves on day one. Some are CPU bound or need dev patches to tap new APIs. Gains vary by game and settings. Bottom line, update today, test your staples, and keep the driver current. Smoothness you can feel is finally here. If this helped, like the video, subscribe to Jonathan's vlog, and tell me which game felt better after the update. I'll feature the best before or after clips in our next roundup.